Hi everyone! Today's video is a super exciting one because it's one that I've been looking forward to filming for about 2 years now, and it is a vlog of my first day of in-person classes. U of M finally opened up and I am back on campus for good this time. So on my first day I started by drinking some almond milk and eating some strawberries. I typically like having a light breakfast because I eat a lot for lunch, and I eat lunch like 3 hours after breakfast, if not less than that. After I got done with breakfast, I changed and got ready, and then I walked to my first class, which was a stats lab. I didn't film much in class this day, but I'm getting better at subtly filming in class, so there will be some in-class footage in later videos, but overall the lab went so well, and I definitely feel like stats is going to be my favorite class this semester. I also went to my stats lecture almost immediately after my stats lab, and then once I got back, I reheated some leftover noodles for lunch. I did some cooking later in the week, but for the first couple of days I just had leftovers while I was adjusting to living in an apartment and having in-person classes. Also, my hanger strap is hanging out of my top, so let's just ignore that. I can't believe I walked around looking like that on my first day and I just didn't notice, but it's fine. I finished up my deliverable for my stats lab and I turned it in. This was my first assignment that I turned in this year, so it's a pretty memorable one, and I also genuinely enjoyed doing it. I actually have an appointment to discuss minoring in applied statistics with a stats advisor soon, and I'm hoping it goes well because I really want to take more stats classes. In this clip, I was highlighting some lab slides from stats because I forgot to do this during lab. From now on, I'll definitely be doing this in lab, and I'll also hopefully be adding some annotations, but I was just so focused on getting to the right classroom on the first day that I totally forgot that annotating slides was a thing that I do for all my classes. And then I made myself a small snack of cheese and crackers. I just had Ritz crackers and then some American cheese from Meijer, which was actually low-key gross. I definitely recommend Kraft for American cheese, but I bought this huge pack of Meijer American cheese, so I kind of have to finish it now. I actually was considering giving you all a tour of my pantry area and my portion of the fridge in our apartment, but I don't know if that would be too boring, so just let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that. I think it could be helpful if you're not sure what you'll realistically be able to make and eat during a full-time school year. So yeah, just let me know if you want to see that. This Notion template is from TBH Studying, and it's a to-do list that's divided by class, which is so helpful for me. I'll link it in the description if you're interested in it. I am still doing a full Notion tour soon, so stay tuned for that, but I'm going to wait until life is a little less hectic for me. I'm definitely still getting used to having such a fast-paced life again after over a year of just working out of the comfort of my parents' house. Then I walked over to a library to print out some stuff for a student org, and I also picked up some materials for another student org. This first week was full of doing stuff for my student orgs because we're trying to recruit new members during the first week, especially new freshmen. It was honestly super fun, but a lot of work for me because I'm in charge of marketing and graphic design for my two orgs, but I do enjoy doing these things, so it wasn't too bad overall.